In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove the charging animation from the Samsung Galaxy A15. So you might have noticed that whenever you connect your device to charge, this animation appears on your screen. To remove it from your device, the first step is to open the Settings app, then scroll and select the option Accessibility. Under Accessibility, select Vision Enhancements, then look for Remove Animations. So as you can see, mine is disabled, so that allows animations to appear. If you wish to remove the animations, just enable the option like that. And now, whenever your phone is charging, the animation won't appear on your screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.